Hey everybody, it's Sherry. Thought I would go ahead and show you the progress on this. I'm waiting to order something to go right here because I think it looks a little undone, but I think it's absolutely beautiful how it is. Okay, this little flower right here, I made it. I just looked up online how to make it, and it was way cool how they made it, so I fell in love with it, so I made it. And then I just used this thing that I got from eBay to make the center. And then on this side, I added another flower here and a butterfly, and then these little flowers and a little bit of spray on the side. And everything I've got from eBay except the butterfly came from Prima. And then I went around the whole box with the little pearls, which was already on this trim. I fell in love with it. And then I layered several trims. They're actually different colors of pink and white on here. And then I put a flower on the clasp for opening it. And then inside, I didn't do anything inside yet. However, I need to get to the store and buy some pink felt that I can wrap around a piece of cardboard to put in the bottom to make the bottom softer so that it's not so rough. And then there's my finished project, Shabby Chic, Shabby Chic. I hope everybody loves it. Let me know what you think. Comment, subscribe, like, share this. Anything that you can do to get this out there and help grow my channel, I would really appreciate it. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will be seeing you soon.